You are going to love the 2014 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.